Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem that a man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. So, suppose that you are talking to your younger brother. Okay. Now, the idea is that he speaks truth 3 out of 4 times, means once he lies. Okay. So, you are playing Ludo with him. Okay, he throws a die and report that it is 6. Okay, now he throws a dice and he's saying that he got 6. Now you have to find out the probability that it is actually a 6. Okay, so you have to find out the probability that it is 6. Look at this. So required probability, what could be the case? So there will be two situations, either he will get 6 or he will not get 6. Okay, so suppose that he got 6. So if he will get 6, do you think he will lie? No, he will tell the truth. Okay, now suppose that in second case he didn't get 6. So do you think he will say the truth? No, he has to lie that he got 6. Okay, so what is the probability of getting 6? You know, this is a dice and on it there is only one chance in which he can have 6, so it is 1 by 6. Now what is the probability of saying truth? So it is 3 by 4 plus he didn't get a 6. So what is the probability of getting 6? It is 1 by 6. So what is the probability of not getting 6? It is 1 minus 1 by 6. It is 5 by 6. Now he has to lie. So what is the probability of lying? You know, it is 1 by 4. Okay, so this is the required result. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.